Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered where all your money went? Well, you're not alone. The thing is, you're not bad with money. You've just been tricked into wasting it on things that don't actually make you happier. So today, let's fix that. Here are 30 things that are a complete waste of your money, and how to redirect those dollars into your freedom. Let's go. 1. Paying for convenience that creates laziness. Food delivery, subscription meal kits, valet parking. You're not paying for time. You're paying to avoid growing up. 2. Daily coffee shop runs. That $6 latte isn't a treat, it's a habit worth $2,000 a year. You're not addicted to caffeine. You're addicted to convenience. 3. Brand new cars. Cars lose 15 to 20% of their value the second you drive off the lot. Buy a used one, save the difference, and stop financing depreciation. 4. Impulse shopping because you had a bad day. That emotional high? Lasts 5 minutes. The credit card bill? Lasts 30 days. 5. Amazon's endless trap. Amazon isn't a store. It's a dopamine dispenser. Remove your card from your account and see how much you actually need. 6. Reward credit cards you carry a balance on. If you pay 25% interest to earn 2% back, you're not a points hacker, you're the product. 7. Paying for every streaming platform. Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, Prime Video, Max. You're not watching TV. You're funding every CEO's yacht. 8. Overpriced skincare. You don't need 14 steps. You need sunscreen, moisturizer, and sleep. 9. Fancy fitness equipment that turns into furniture. If your treadmill doubles as a clothing rack, that wasn't a workout. That was a $1,500 towel holder. 10. Annual phone upgrades. You don't need a better camera. You need better habits. Keep your phone until it literally stops working. 11. Dining out 4 times a week. Restaurants are for memories, not meal prep replacements. Cook twice a week and you'll save a vacation's worth of money. 12. Vacations you can't afford. Travel's amazing, debt isn't. If it follows you home on your credit card, it wasn't a break, it was bondage. 13. Online courses you never finish. You didn't buy knowledge, you bought procrastination. Finish what you start or stop buying future you fantasies. 14. Home decor overhauls every year. Pinterest doesn't pay your bills. Stop redecorating every season. 15. Clothes for a life you don't actually live. If you own 20 going out outfits but stay home every weekend, you're funding a version of yourself that doesn't exist. If this video's already stepping on your financial toes, good. That means it's working. Hit subscribe right now so you don't miss the next one. 16. Weekend treats that add up. You didn't need that $18 cocktail. You needed to go home, celebrate with peace of mind, not bottle service. 17. Mobile game microtransactions. One free-to-play app at a time. $4.99 for extra lives, $9.99 for gems. That's $480 a year in fake dopamine. You can't level up your real life that way. 18. Investment purchases that don't pay you back. A $900 coffee maker is not an investment. It's just expensive coffee. 19. Beauty products that promise miracles. If it glows, sparkles, or vibrates, it's probably glowing through your wallet too. 20. Renovations for resale value. Most upgrades don't pay back what you spend. You're not flipping your home, you're flipping your finances. 21. Over-the-top pet products. Your dog doesn't need organic kale treats or a $300 raincoat. He literally eats dirt sometimes. Be honest. 22. Events you attend just for Instagram. If you go somewhere just to prove you went, you already lost. You're not missing out, you're saving $300 and a hangover. Learn to love JOMO, joy of missing out. 23. Wine is self-care, spending. There's a fine line between relaxation and expensive coping. 24. Financial flexing. The quietest people often have the biggest net worths. The loudest ones? Usually financed. 25. Designer luggage. Still gets thrown by the airline, just more expensively. 26. Late fees. Paying late fees isn't bad luck. It's bad organization. 27. Gambling in disguise. Day trading without a plan isn't investing. It's just anxiety with charts. 28. Networking events that don't actually network. If everyone's selling, nobody's connecting. Save your ticket money. 29 Degrees you don't need. Don't go $80,000 into debt for a diploma in indecision. Learn skills, not just syllabi. 30 Lifestyle creep. You make more, spend more, and wonder why nothing changes. If your expenses grow with your income, your freedom never will. Most people don't go broke from one big mistake. They go broke slowly, quietly, leaking $10, $20, $100 at a time. On things that feel normal. But every dollar you waste is a dollar that could have bought you options, freedom, peace. So here's your challenge, pick 3 leaks from this list and plug them today. Then, watch how fast your bank account starts breathing again. Because money isn't just for spending. It's for building a life you actually want.